Hello, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to create a quick in-depth review about this crypto wallet platform, which is Guarda Wallet. So to get started with a quick review about this cryptocurrency platform, Guarda Wallet is a multi-platform non-custodial crypto wallet that supports over 70 blockchain and hundreds of thousands tokens. It works on web, desktop, and mobile, and also allows users to buy, stake, swap, and even take out crypto loans, all while keeping control of their private keys, with legal integration and 24/7 support. It's a solid option for anyone wanting broad crypto access with a user-friendly interface. However, some user report issues like high swap fee, slow performance, and occasional transaction delay. Others have experienced bugs or temporary freezing of funds, especially during heavy network fee or heavy network uses. While Guarda is a flexible tool for multi-asset management in 2025, it's best used with a caution. Always back up your keys and double check every transaction. And that's it. So let me know in the comment section what you think about this crypto platform. And that's it.